Yeah. Sup YouTube, it's me, Tony. Not made a video in a while. I say this every video I make. I thought I'd make a little video to say hi. Anybody that watches my videos, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do a special video. I'm getting my hair cut in about 10 days time, and I thought I'd do a video today just like shaking my head. So if you want to hang about and see me like shaking my head, hang about, because that shit's going to happen real soon. Anybody who has checked out my videos before, I'm a poet from Glasgow, Scotland. I do poems and songs and funny little sketches and stuff like that on my main channel, Tony's Poems and stuff. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. You'll probably see a better quality of video on that channel. This is my unedited vlogging channel. I basically just put on the video camera and I do a vlog in one take and try and make it as interesting and stupid as possible. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to shake my head about. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, link down below. Yeah, bye, peace.